Hey, good morning everyone. Just wanted to let you know right now it's very quiet here. System is not drawing as much power as it should because the AMD system just went down. It's going to ramp up here in a second. And the reason why that is because the Hive OS, for some reason, every once in a while, not all the time, right now it's updating the new drive, but every once in a while, some reason when the system crashes, it corrupts the OS drive. So my recommendation is to get a bunch of these USB drives. So what I have is I have 2 per rig, and I just rotate them. You shouldn't need as many as I have, but because I have such mixed rigs, and like if you had nothing but the same cards in each system, it might be a little bit better. But because I have a mixed Nvidia rig with LHR, non-LHR, 10, 16, 30, 20 series, and then AMD's, everything from the basically the 580 all the way up to the 6800, it can sometimes cause issues. So, you know, we're having issues right now connecting to the Hive pool, but I got to make some updates on my end inside the Hive OS. The biggest thing is to make sure that you got spare drives like this, so that way you can rotate everything in and out, have the correct rig config file. Obviously, make sure you update your password, because we had that issue a while back where people's systems were getting hijacked because they left the default password. Never leave default anything on your router or whatever it is. So the AMD system's back up and running, but unfortunately what happened was it went off last night and it was cold. Normally this is in the summertime, this is around like 96, 95, which you can actually see, maximum 95. That was a few days ago. It's cold, and what I do is I leave the door cracked just a little bit, and it dropped just because of this one rig. I lost 800, almost 1,000 watts of power, and here we are. We've climbed up from 2,400 to 33, probably 3,400 in a minute. And you know, obviously I lost my heating mechanism. So super important, if you're running Hive OS, have some backup drives just in case. Downtime is the killer of efficiency. Just make sure you have some backups that you can throw in there, and that should help you out. But every once in a while it will get corrupted, and there it goes, it's ramping up. So just be prepared to have some backups. Besides that, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.